Not everyone is meant to live loudly. Some people feel more like themselves in quiet spaces, away from constant opinions and endless conversations. They don't need to be noticed all the time to feel valid. They recharge alone. They think deeply. They move slowly, but with intention. In a world that celebrates noise, choosing silence can look like weakness. But it isn't. It's self-awareness. It's knowing where you feel safe. It's choosing peace over performance. If you are someone who doesn't belong to the noise, that's not a flaw. That's clarity.